In this video, we're going to look at Bravisa, which is a free social e-commerce application that will allow you to make money by selling their products anywhere on the internet. Basically, you decide how much money you want to make by you setting your own price, and the process is then automated. So essentially what happens is you choose which products you want to be able to sell to your customers. You then attract shoppers, you drive traffic to your B store, and then you make money. The way it works is a manufacturer will sell the products at a wholesale price, and you'll get the price how much it costs with a recommended retail price. You then set the price that you want to sell those products at in your store, and you keep the difference as you're earning commission. And the great thing is the bravisa manufacturers will do all the shipping, and it will be sent out to your customers direct, so you don't have to handle any goods. You just have to basically drive traffic, so it's an equivalent of a drop shipping store. To sign up for the account, as you can see here, nice big orange button, we just go through the sign up process. So let's have a look now. We sign up now. Select yourself a username, a password, confirm your password, email address, confirm email address. Choose a B store name, which will be like this. It will have bravisa.com, my B store, and then your name. So make it something that you want to have. Enter in the characters from the capture image. Agree to the terms of the service and that you're over 13. And sign up. So we're going to go through and fill out the information now, and then hit the sign up button. As you can see here, the benefits to Bravisa is that 20 to 40% verifiable profits, where you set up your own markups. You get free unlimited B stores with full e-commerce functionality. At the time of doing this video, there's no extras, there's no like platinum or gold stores. Everybody has a free store, everybody has the same benefits from the start. You have complete control over the products. You have a comprehensive promotional tools to attract buyers. You can own the customer without competition from Bravisa, which is important, and they take care of the order fulfillment, returns, and also the customer service if there's any issues. So I'm going to go through and fill out now, and we'll move on to the next step. So once you've entered in your details, you now choose to set up your store. So you choose a theme for your B store. So you can choose how you want the layout to be, and then you can add products to your B store by keywords or by category samples. So it says here products related to each keyword term, such as sports, music, shirts, digital, it will be added to your B store. You have complete control over the products in your store and can edit price, description, images, etc. Then you enter up to 4 different keyword terms, and if you'd rather add individual products, create an empty B store by leaving the keywords blank. Go to the B store manager page and click on add products. So we're going to choose keywords and we're going to leave it blank. And here it says the available markup for each product is the difference between the Bravisa wholesale price and your manufacturer's suggested retail. Markups higher than 100% are allowed, so if you wanted to mark up you could put 120%. So it's entirely up to you. So you set your initial percentage, default is 90, and hit set up your store. So we'll just choose a theme. And then we hit set up store. So as you can see here, it says congratulations test store, you have successfully completed your B store setup. Preview your store here. Start promoting my store, get a widget. This will display different products from your B store on your blog or website. So you can have it showing your products, and you can send an email to let people know if you want to invite friends, and then you're done. You can actually manage your store, go into the section and log out. So if you look at our preview store, you can see that at the moment we don't have any products in here, and it's worked through Google Checkout, PayPal, and has delivery via UPS. So let's move on to managing my B store, and you can visit at any time. You can promote with partners, you can send email, widget builder, list on Google Base, which is a good way of getting traffic, search engine tools, promotional tools. You can edit and set up Google Analytics, edit the seller profile, the details, the theme, add products, watch the add products tutorial, or create a new store. So let's say for a moment you wanted to perhaps sell cell phone cases. You go to add products, and you look for the particular, out of all the different products that they have in their range, which is at the moment is more, and they're growing all the time. So we go here for cell phone cases, and we can see the different products. If we want to click them, we can have a look. You see a bigger description, information here, and it says sell this and make $1.24. So if you like the look of the case, you add it to your list. Let's put a few on here. that we're going to sell. We can choose details to see the actual description. We'll go back. So if we want to add these products, we hit add. You set your markup and price and then hit click confirm. As you can see, it says products were successfully added to your B store. What would you like to do now? You can either carry on going to the catalog or you can check your store. So if we check our store, we can see at the moment that we have our products and the markup price has been entered in to show how much they will be. And if people come along, you make the difference between what the initial price was wholesale and the retail price that you've set. So that's straightforward and simple and easy to do. Just to go through some of the information here, if you're adding products, you can change the theme, which will change the colour. You can edit your B store details. If we click this one here, you've got your B store name and you can write a tagline about your store. You can put in a logo if you want to by creating a logo and uploading it here. You can hide this site from buyers if you want to, and can shoppers message you from this store? You can put yes or no. If you choose yes, they'll then be able to send you messages directly via the store, and then just hit update. If you want to edit the seller profile, you click that one. And in this section, you just basically put in an image profile, profile title and text. You could put it about yourself or the store or your product. If you had a photograph maybe of your pet Chihuahua and he's wearing his latest dog coat, you could have that as your profile image and information in here about your dog and the pet supplies you're selling. Your favourite sites, which could be linked to your other products and services, you could put in here, or perhaps an ebook if you have one, or a video course that you're selling as an affiliate. Have those in here as your favourite links. Display other stores if you want to, and hide profile. It's entirely up to you, and hit update, and that's easy as that to edit your profile within the Bravisa store. The Google Analytics section will allow you to log into Google and get the information where you set up and you post it back into here. You put in your analytics code here and save, and then Google Analytics from your account will actually track the traffic and trends of your site and your Bravisa store. So it's useful if you want to be able to see that, and it's a great way of seeing how your traffic is performing on your website. As far as promoting your store, they've got a very detailed page here, and it's just promote tutorial, and talks to you about how you can promote your B store and attract shopper traffic. You can use widgets, and there's a widget instruction for a builder here to have it on your blogs and sites. You can actually embed your store very easily using iframes and frame sets. The iframe, you just basically just copy this, and it has you just put in your affiliate your URL to your actual store. You place in here, and then you paste this into your page, and then can have your store show up on any of your websites. So you can have it showing on any niche site you have. You can list on Google based. You could actually promote products within eBay. It says you're allowed to do that here, and it tells you the process and how you then ship the product to the person once they've purchased. They've got some search engine tools you can make use of, and you can invite people you know with a list, of course, via email. And there's many other ways. You could write articles, drive traffic to your B store in the same way you would any other site. And there's detailed instructions for listing your products on eBay here, and also how to customize your widget with the widget builder. Once you click the My Bravisa link, you'll see down here your stores that you've created. You can create more if you want to. At this time, there's no restriction on the number of stores you can create. Here you can see your sales activity, performance reports and earnings. You can see any purchases that you've personally made as well, the history, and your information such as changing your password, your email, manage your address, and edit seller information. And that's simple and easily how you use Bravisa to start promoting products and getting sales on the internet.